Okay guys, this is a 2020 Jeep Wrangler Sport. Presented you from Real Deal Auto. 3.6 V6 motor. This is a rebuilt title. Had a little damage on the rear. Pictures are available. It was very light. Nice cool gray color with a bunch of the red accents. Manual trans. $22,273 on the miles. Cruise control. Backup camera. Your power options. Some plastic floor mats there. I think the damage was right in this area. Spare tire. See, this bumper's got a couple little damages, but really hard to see. Hard top. It's got your side steps, tinted windows. Good looking Jeep, low miles, Real Deal Auto.